Hey, welcome back to the Stay Home Artist channel. I'm glad to have you here. Today I'm going to show you a little bit about a raised satin stitch. So you can use literally whatever you want with this. I'm going to use embroidery thread with a size 22 chenille needle. I've got everything linked in the description of the video if you are looking to start. And then I also have this little piece of twine that I'm going to use with this stitch. So I'm going to trim it down just a little bit to match the size of my line, and I'll begin by couching this little piece of fiber down on the top of my fabric. If you're new to couching, check out the video linked above. It'll go over all the beginner stuff for you. Once the entire piece is couched down and straight, which is a key part of this, I am going to fill in the rest of it with a satin stitch, so the entire little piece of twine is covered. And there you have it. That's really all there is to it. I love the texture that this adds, and there's seriously so many fun things you could do with couching and a raised satin stitch. I'm excited to try and incorporate it on some new designs, but let me know what you guys think. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you again next time.